Let us talk about 10 good habits that your child should cultivate in this new year. Hi everyone, this is your learning coach Vinod Kumar and so happy to meet you in another video. Most of the time, every year goes by with lots of empty resolutions. These resolutions don't get fulfilled because many a times we don't set realistic expectations, and this habit starts from early childhood. What I want to do in this video is to inspire kids to make realistic resolutions and make it good, so that this year they acquire good habits rather than spend time aimlessly. Here are 10 good habits that your child can acquire or cultivate this new year. First habit: be in a positive environment. With the global pandemic, the whole world has turned too negative. So take up a resolution not to speak anything negative. Avoid negative people and start your own positive space by stop complaining. Just like how people are trying intermittent fasting, try complaint fasting. First you could start with one day, then make it into weeks and probably into months. Remember, transformation begins with tiny triumphs. Second habit: study or learn 1 hour every day. You don't have to slog 3 or 4 hours every day during your formative years on studying. Just spending 1 hour every day diligently day after day can give great results. This 1 hour can be your school studies or time spent to learn anything new. Just spending 365 hours a year is more than enough to become a champion in your classroom. So fix a time and stick with it. Third habit: maintain a journal. So before you sleep in the evening, record all that you learn from the day. Write what you will do tomorrow, what actions you will change, and most importantly, what are you grateful for on that day. Writing gratitude is a very powerful tool of many successful people. Fourth habit: manage your screen time effectively. Though the global pandemic has connected us all more remotely, it has opened the Pandora's box of too much screen time for all of us. Use features in your mobile phone to track your digital well-being and set strict screen time usage based on your need and necessity. Remember, all the technology giants are working to keep you addicted to the device so that they can make billions. Beware of this necessary evil and handle with extreme care. There are 1,000 things that you can do without a mobile phone. So doing one every day can keep you engaged for more than 3 years. Now more than ever, when all of you have your own devices, it is very important for you to become the master of your device rather than becoming a slave to the mobile phone. Fifth habit: remember to exercise kindness towards yourselves and everyone around you. Treat not just yourself but also your classmates with compassion. When you feel angry or depressed or disappointed, it is very important for you to show empathy to others and share love. Treat thy neighbors as you want them to treat you. Sixth habit: avoid procrastinating. One of the things that I hate is when my students ask me, when is the deadline to complete the project? Why do you need a deadline? Why not finish it in the first instance you have free time in your calendar? All successful people have this habit. They prioritize and complete tasks, not waiting for a deadline to start working on it. Okay, the mantra to avoid procrastinating is just do it now. Seventh habit: physical fitness. What is more important than wealth and knowledge? It's your health. Swami Vivekananda famously says, he said, you can learn more by playing football rather than by learning the Gita. Even if you are not an agile or a sports person, This new year, commit yourselves to physical activity at least for 2 hours every day. Go out with your friends, play around in your community, and when you do these, you not only improve on your physical strength but also on the much needed social skills. Play has a lot of hidden benefits and will help you tremendously to concentrate when you sit down for studying. Remember, all work and no play will make Jack a very dull boy. So commit yourselves to 600 hours of play this new year. 8th habit, work hard and push boundaries. In the recently concluded test series against Australia, our Indian team captain Virat Kohli, when asked what keeps him motivated to achieve great results, he said superbly. He said he is not competing with others but with himself to become a better version of himself. Okay, so what is the fun if you set low benchmarks? Set up audacious goals, announce these goals to the world so you have an accountability to achieve it and make it happen. You cannot become the champion of this world doing easy things, as they don't bring you attractive rewards. So constantly strive to push your boundaries and outdo yourselves through hard work. The 9th habit, wake up early. Early bird gets the worm. Yes, getting up early has a lot of psychological advantage as you actually get more time than people who wake up late to complete more tasks. Schedule your day to do the most productive work in the morning. 10th habit, learn or practice a hobby. Hobbies are important while growing up. Though school education is very important, you don't get to learn 21st century skills or get tested in challenging environment in your classrooms. That's why hobbies are kind of like very important and essential. The more hobbies you are able to master, the more versatile you grow up to become. So if you are interested in learning space science and astronomy as a hobby, do reach out to us at www.learnspacescience.com to know more about our programs and courses for you. Hope you are inspired to take up these good habits and change your life for the better. Let me know in the comments which habit is your favorite, and if you did like this video, please do share this video to your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks again. This is your learning coach Vinod Kumar signing off.